Hi y'all, welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Little Miss Homemaker.
And I'm Miss Katie.
And we're at Off-Grid with Doug and Stacy's. It's my birthday and we're going to make ice cream.
What kind are we making? You don't
Vanilla,
know?
I guess.
Chocolate today. I'm doing a different recipe today, and I'm using raw milk, my homemade yogurt, and that actually Little Music Man made, because he knows how to make that now. And we're going to tell you the recipe. Actually, what we'll do, there'll be a link down in the top of the description box. You can click on that. You can find the recipe at our website, and I will have a printable recipe for you to easily print off. Okay, so we have 4 pastured eggs, and if you're not comfortable using eggs, then you can find an alternative, or you can do your research on the difference between pastured eggs and commercially purchased eggs. So that would be worth your while. So I'm going to whisk the 4 eggs, and I'm going to do it right in here because I have limited resources on the RV or wherever we travel. Okay. The next thing is I'm going to go ahead and put 2 cups of raw cream, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 3/4 cup of cacao powder, it's raw, and the 3/4 cup of pure cane sugar. And I'm going to mix all that together. Mix that up. I've got 2 tablespoons of homemade vanilla. And I was just texting a while ago on the way here with my friend Stacy Leann, and we were talking about this idea of putting vodka, a tablespoon of vodka in homemade ice cream, and that keeps the ice cream from freezing so much and having the crystals, but it also binds the fats and proteins and everything together to make a creamier ice cream. But actually my homemade vanilla is made with Tito's vodka. So that serves the dual purpose there. And then I've got 1/2 teaspoon of Redmond's real salt. Then I'm adding 2 cups of my homemade yogurt from raw milk.
Small.
Yeah, it is.
I like it.
You do. All right, get that stirred up. And I'm hoping this is going to be close to a gallon. All right, and the last thing is 1 quart of raw whole milk, and that's it. Does it smell good? All right, and let's put it in the machine. Crank it, Daddy-O.
Alright, so it's hard cranking. I'm assuming it's done. You gonna try it?
I'm gonna try it.
Alright. What do you think?
Good.
Is it cold?
Cold.
You can go to this video up here to see about the OffGrid ice cream freezer, and we'll put a link below so that you can go out there and get you one of them. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go out there and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notifications when we put new content out there. We're getting ready to eat some ice cream. Y'all have a good night.